Yes, it's me again. Researcher Anta is my name. I offered myself to take you through the recording, the learnings of the computer, because the current world, I wouldn't imagine having the world without computers and how hectic it would have been. So this is something so how can I say it? This is something that is everybody, in fact everybody requires to have it as a skill. Simply computer, how I can explain it to you that a computer is a machine that helps us to do many things like documents, looking at pictures, communicating with others, also and like that stuff. So I come again to speak about how to use a computer, specifically currently starting with the people who have never held a computer. The computer has many things, many components that one needs to know so that they can activate or use it. So I start with how to open a computer. How to start a computer simply has two ways. We have the warm booting and then the cold booting. Those two are just the ways of starting one, where the cold booting is when you start a computer which has been completely off. That's the cold. And the warm booting is the start of the computer which has been in use already. So what I'm going to show you now is simply the warm booting, where we start our computer. We shall be using this that you're seeing around the screen. I don't know whether I can really see it. It's called the cursor. So you come here at the right corner, you click, you will see this, which is called the power, which has power. When you click on it, that's how you start a computer. Either it has restart, sleep, or shut down. So you choose one of what you want to use at that time. Then after that, the computer opens up for you, and then it will bring for you, if the computer really has a password, it will be showing you the space for the password. So you put in the password, then you proceed. The third steps, I'm not so sure whether I can see them because mine is already on. Then when you open the computer, it will be showing you this. This is a screen where different icons are located. Specifically, these are the icons, the things that you're seeing here. They're the icons, these ones, and then this is the screen. The free space that you see on the screen, like as I told you, the screen, it has many different things, and onto these things is where most of the work we do is being based, because obviously work is based here. So what else can I start with? I can help you show you some of the things that are key on a computer. Just like you see this side where we have these buttons, you can see here, this is the icon for weather, where you can search your weather and see how the weather is that day. This is the one for the battery, to see what percentage of remained with on your battery in case you're using it and you're feeling like you're not so safe. Then this is where we increase or mute volumes from. We have the icon that shows us the time and the date on our PC, right this side in this corner. Hope you can see it easily. Back to our screen. We have many different things, in fact, that we can use the screen. But before we go any further, I spoke about the booting stuff. There's some things that you need to know when you're going to use a computer. Basically, you need to know the power or the security. Okay, the power on your battery. It's vital, something so because when you use a battery, when it's low, you will always wonder why it's like this and this, but you should know the status of your battery. To come back a little, we need to know exploring more obviously of the computer. But I think now the people who are just learning, you have gotten to know some basics specifically. And then we have this empty space. I will be taking through with you how to open a computer. Okay, a folder on your PC. Simply you come to the free spaces. You see this free space. Don't come here where there is an icon already. You come here to the free space, you double click, they will bring for you something like this, new. So you tap here at new, then you tap on folder. Our folder is formed itself here. The folder is simply the space where most of our documents are. So in this folder, you rename it. You can backspace, you rename it. I'll be using my name to rename, which is search. And then you enter. So that is simply how we rename. Then you can double click for it to open, and when you open, you can open different things using your folder. Here inside you can open Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Publisher, different things that you can use specifically. And how to save we shall know in the nearby future. Just stay tuned with me. Before we can go any further, I request you to subscribe, like and share this video so that you inform all the friends that are out of the topic to come and join us together as we do this together, as we navigate the journey of learning and exploring how to use the computer. One of the things we would desire or like is to see everybody in this world, worldwide, being one of the members who use the computer, because the world has run so digital to the extent that we cannot keep on using different things that the is used in those days before the introduction of the computer. So if you're interested, you can like, share and subscribe to follow for more. We tune up more in the next video as we speak about how to use the research and AI apps and more of the Microsoft Word and PowerPoint and everything, presentations. Follow and like for more. Thank you.